In India, it is common practice to use mosquito coils, sprays, and liquid vaporizer to fight against mosquitoes. But have you ever wondered how these mosquitoes repellents cause harm to our health? In the fight against mosquitoes, we may do harming ourselves by consuming these poisonous chemicals present in mosquitoes repellents. Have you been using All Out, Good Night, Mortein, Hit, or any other chemically derived repellents to keep the mosquitoes away? If yes, then this video is for you. As in this video, I will share what does these repellents made up of, how harmful these famous mosquitoes repellents are, what are the associated health related problem by using these repellents, and also I will share some of the best natural way to keep mosquitoes away. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to the Health Acme. Mosquitoes are known the world over for their itchy bites, and they are also known for spreading some of the world's most dangerous diseases, including malaria, yellow fever, encephalitis, dengue fever, and other dangerous diseases. By transmitting these diseases, mosquitoes cause the death of more people than other animals on the planet. According to the World Health Organization, mosquito bites result in death of more than 1 million people each year. The majority of these deaths are due to malaria. What's more shocking is that these deadly insects freely roam in our homes without any limitation, so surely we use mosquitoes repellent to make ourselves protected. But wait a little, have you ever wondered what ingredients do these chemically derived repellents have in it? Are they toxic only to mosquitoes and not to humans? Well, I don't think so, because the warning and the label of toxicity on the box tells another side of this story. Transfluthrin, PHT, elethrine are some harmful chemically derived synthetic compound used widely in mosquitoes repellent, and vaporized kerosene also added for making repellents combustible. NCBI reported transfluthrin may cause poisoning including nervousness, anxiety, skin allergies, sneezing, runny nose, and irritation if used contrary to product's instruction. All these mosquitoes repellent brands very smartly mentioned all warning and cautions in smaller font that most of us gonna ignore. Let's take a look what do these cautions says. The very first caution is that while using these repellents, doors and windows should be kept open, then switch on the repellents. Now tell me how many of us used to open windows and doors while using these repellents? You know well. Another caution is to avoid inhalation. Isn't this a joke, because sleeping for more than 6 to 7 hours daily cannot prevent inhaling this poison? Or they want us to wear a mask while sleeping. There are also other repellents available in the market like Mortein, Good Night, which even don't mention actual composition. Odomos, another product which get widely used by many directly on the skin, but do you know it has DEB, which may cause irritation on children's skin who are below 2 years? Kala Hit, yes, it is Kala as it contains D-trans-elethrine, which is a synthetic compound used in insecticides. Exposure to large doses of elethrine by any root may lead to cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, incoordination, bloody tears, and even coma. Toxicity label on the Kala Hit clearly mentioned that it is highly toxic in nature and suggested to keep children away from this product. And there is no specific antidote for pyrethroid toxicity, which makes it more dangerous to use. Urban cities like Chennai have shown that up to 42% of people in Chennai use mosquito coils and 28% use liquid vaporizers. Overall, all these commercial mosquitoes repellents contain toxic chemicals that may lead to severe problems. So what is the best way to keep mosquitoes away? For this, we should turn to use mosquito nets, which we Indians are using since ages. One can also use lavender, citronella, and rosemary extract for repelling mosquitoes naturally. And if you can't do this, you should at least change your mosquito repellent brand by some of those natural repellent containing products which you can easily find on Amazon or any other shopping site. Now at last, I want to make this very clear, I am not against any brand, or none of the mentioned brand has paid me to speak all this. My intention of making this video is very clear. I just want you to make aware of these chemically derived toxic containing products and want you to switch to the natural and healthier side. Yes, our resistance is much higher than those of mosquitoes, but believe me, inhaling this poison daily for almost 6 to 7 hours will surely put you in problem. So the next time whenever you go for selecting mosquitoes repellent, do make sure these ingredients are not included in the composition list. I will also link down some best and pocket efficient natural products that one can buy without any hesitation. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If yes, then please hit that like button, subscribe and share this video to your loving ones. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.